Discover Mysa Extender, created to alleviate back pains caused by spinal problems, bad posture, hernias, and crushed inter-vertebral discs. Mysa Extender is a lumbar back stretcher kit created by the Swedish brand Mysa in partnership with Rakuten for gradual stretching of your vertebral column. Use it just a few minutes per day without physical exercise or medicine and at the cost of just a single massage. It is the only device on the market which combines a progressive mechanical decompression of the spine with the help of thermotherapy and the benefits of acupressure, which has made Mysa well known all over the world. Day by day, you will regain a perfect posture, an enhanced mobility and flexibility for your sports and activities, your work, and better quality of everyday life. To best treat tensions, muscular knots, and painful trigger points, wherever they may be located, discover the exclusive Mysa Trigger Ball. The professional 12 days, 12 minutes back in shape program will demonstrate how best to use it day by day to get all benefits and achieve complete relief from pain.